美国总统大选的辩论会，伫台湾时间今仔日早起来举办第二场。共和党的川普甲民主党的贺锦丽第一届正面交手。
指控结束美国总统大选第二场的辩论，共和党的候选人川普甲民主党新的候选人贺锦丽握手。这嘛是选战开始以来，两个人头一摆当面交锋。
Donald Trump has no plan for you. And when you look at his economic plan, it's all about tax breaks for the richest people.
She doesn't have a plan. She copied Biden's plan, and it's like 4 sentences.
两个人先辩论经济议题，其中嘛讲到中国甲台湾。
He ended up selling American chips to China to help them improve and modernize their military. Basically sold us out. Let's talk about this. With COVID, is he actually thanked President Xi for what he did during COVID? Look at his tweet. Thank you, President Xi, exclamation point. When we know that Xi was responsible for lacking and not giving us transparency about the origins of COVID.
First of all, they bought their chips from Taiwan. We hardly make chips anymore because of philosophies like they have and policies like they have. I don't say her because she has no policy.
当讲到对台湾，也就是将囡仔摕掉的权利，双方开始起冤家。川普指控民主党支持杀害红衣仔，那去互贺锦丽反驳，嘛互主持人纠正。是讲无论主题是啥，川普自头到尾拢针对国内移民。
In Springfield, they're eating the dogs, the people that came in. They're eating the cats. They're eating the pets of the people that live there. And this is what's happening in our country, and it's a shame.
ABC News did reach out to the city manager there. He told us there have been no credible reports of specific claims of pets being harmed, injured, or abused by individuals.
川普的话，搁再引发着讨论。贺锦丽嘛出记招，当中邀请所有人到川普的造势大会看闹热。
You will see during the course of his rallies, he talks about fictional characters like Hannibal Lecter. He will talk about windmills cause cancer. And what you will also notice is that people start leaving his rallies early.
People don't go to her rallies. There's no reason to go. And the people that do go, she's bussing them in and paying them to be there.
双方头剑光有来有往，比顶摆川普甲拜登的辩论更较精彩，嘛更较有火药味。
Hello， 我是雷亚，想要抢了先掌握最及时的新闻资讯吗？赶快订阅、按赞、开启小铃铛，锁定华视新闻 YouTube 频道。